Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to send Discord channel messages on new RSS feed entries. So here in this case I want whenever a new feed in RSS is captured, automatically a message on my Discord channel should be sent for that feed. So here to build this connection I need to connect these applications, and here to connect these applications I'm going to use an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So here Pabbly Connect works on two principles, that are trigger and action. So here our trigger application will be RSS by Pabbly and our action application will be Discord. So to learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So here you can see the RSS feeds of NDTV, and here under RSS feed you can see some sections for which the feeds are available. So here in this case I want whenever a new feed is available in a particular section, automatically a message should be sent on my Discord channel for the same feed. So here you can see the message for trending stories RSS feed. So here to build this connection, I need to connect my RSS feed with Discord channel. And here to build this connection, I'm going to use an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. This is the homepage of Pabbly Connect. You can visit this page by simply browsing for the URL pabbly.com/connect. Here you can see two options, that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get 300 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now here after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here to build my connection, I need to create a workflow. And for that, I'm going to click on this Create Workflow button that is given on the top right corner. Now here in this Create Workflow dialog box, I have to give a name to my workflow. So here I'm going to give the name as Send Discord Channel Messages for RSS Feed. And here I'm going to select my folder as Automations. You can select your folder as per your need. Also, you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this Create button. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow with the name Send Discord Channel Messages for RSS Feed. And here you can see two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here I'm going to select my trigger application as RSS by Pabbly and my trigger event as new item in feed. And now to connect my RSS with Pabbly, here I'm going to click on this connect. And here you can see we have received the two options, that are feed URL and filter type. So here for the feed URL, in the instruction it says enter the feed URL here. This RSS trigger will check for updated RSS feed at the regular interval. So here for this feed URL, let me take you back to my NDTV RSS feed. And here under NDTV RSS feed, we have to select a particular section for which we need the message updates. So here for this case, I'm going to select sports. So here I've selected the sports RSS feed because I want all the sports information should be sent to my Discord channel. So here you can see we have received a URL. So here we are going to copy this. Moving back to Pabbly window, and here we are going to enter this feed URL. So now here after entering this feed URL, moving forward, and now here it is asking for filter type. So here for the filter type, you can select different guide or different published date. So by selecting this filter type, you will get the response accordingly. For like if you select different published date, then you will get the response according to the published date. So here for the filter type, I'm going to select default. So now here after selecting the feed URL and filter type, here I'm going to click on this save and send test request. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the title as ICC shifts Park Teams Hotel ahead of T20 WC clash versus India. Here's why. So here you can see we have received the latest sports news where we have received the published date as Thursday, that is 6th June 2024. Also we have received the media content URL and we have received the link for the news and some other details. So with this we have successfully set up our trigger. Now let's move to action step, and here I'm going to select my action application as Discord. And here I'm going to select my action event as send channel message HTML. so that whenever a new item is captured in my feed, automatically a message should be sent on my Discord channel. And now to connect my Discord with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. And here you can see it is asking for webhook URL, message, bot name, bot icon and text to speech. So here for the webhook URL it says enter your webhook URL, follow these steps to get webhook URL from your Discord account. So here by clicking on this you can see some screenshots which will guide you to get the webhook URL from your Discord channel. So here following all these steps, here I've already logged in my Discord account. And from here we are going to create a new channel for our sports news. So here I'm going to click on this create channel. And here I'm going to give a name to my channel, that would be sports news. And here I'm going to click on this create channel. And here you can see we have successfully created a new channel. And now to get this webhook URL, we are going to click on this settings. And under settings, we are going to select integrations. And under integration, we are going to create a webhook. So here I'm going to click on this create webhook. And here you can see we have successfully created a bot with the name Spidey bot. So here I'm going to give a name to my bot, that is sports news. And now I'm going to click on this copy webhook URL. Moving back to Pabbly window. And here I'm going to enter the webhook URL. And now here after entering the webhook URL, moving forward. And now here it is asking for the message. So here I need to enter the message which I want to send with the news URL. So here I'm going to write a message that would be hello members, here is the new sports news, please check this out. And here for the link we are going to map the link. So here mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here we will map the data from the response we have received in our RSS by Pabbly. Mapping makes a text dynamic so that whenever a new item in feed is captured by RSS, automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here we are going to map the link of the feed. So this is the link. So here I've mapped the link. And now after mapping the link, moving forward. And now here it is asking for a bot name. So here I'm going to give the name as sports news. Moving forward. Here this bot icon is not a required field. So here I'm going to leave it blank. But if you want to add any other JPG, GIF or PNG, then you can do it as per your need. And now here for text to speech, I'm going to select disable. And now after entering all the required data, here I'm going to click on the save and send test request. And here you can see we have received a successful response. So now let's go and check our Discord channel. And here you can see we have successfully received a message which says, hello members, here's the new sports news, please check this out. So here we are going to click on this. And here you can see it has successfully taken us to the news link where the title is Pakistan cricket team changes hotel ahead of massive India clash. Report reveals the reason. So here you can see it has successfully taken us to the news. So with this we have successfully set up our automation. Now before summarizing this whole video for you, let me tell you that RSS by Pabbly is a polling based application. That means it will capture the new responses in next 1 hour. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have taken our trigger as RSS by Pabbly and our action as Discord. So that whenever a new item in feed is captured in our RSS by Pabbly, automatically a message will be sent to our Discord channel. If you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can contact us on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can contact us on www.pabbly.com. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.